Aside from perhaps Volvo, no car company has championed station wagons from the United States as consistently and since ardently as Volkswagen. While other automakers abandoned the entire body style as SUVs and crossovers rose to dominance, VW has persisted in selling wagons in America more than 50 years now. But during the last few decades, a cost led with the Subaru Outback is responsible for even the niche wagon market in America to skew toward a preference for all-wheel drive, raised ride height, and SUV styling cues, and VW responded by introducing the Alltrack variant with the Golf Sportwagen for 2017. Ardent champions with the station wagon that people are, we've just welcomed a Golf Alltrack into our long-term stable. It follows a 2015 Golf GTI plus a 2015 Golf VII since the third version with the 10 best cars winning Mk7 Golf to pass through our 40,000 mile test regimen. Our Alltrack, like just about all 2018 Golfs, could be the beneficiary of a mild visual refresh along with an updated infotainment system, plus it now also sees wider accessibility to some active safety features. Choose your own wagon adventure for our long-term car. We made a decision to take advantage with the 2018 Alltrack's new paint color option, the attractive Great Falls Green Metallic, which looks nutty with this Marrakesh brown leatherette interior. Every Alltrack comes standard with 4-motion all-wheel drive along with a turbocharged 1.8-litre inline for making 170 horsepower. We find the mid-level set trim so that people could row our personal gears courtesy with the 6-speed manual transmission. The top-trim Alltrack comes only that as a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic. Compared with the bottom S model, the SE adds a panoramic sunroof, proximity entry, forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, as well as an 8.0-inch touchscreen with SiriusXM satellite radio. Volkswagen don't offer any option packages with the Alltrack, but we did pay $235 for rubberized floor mats to assist protect the car's interior over the winter months and $546 for the roof-mounted bicycle attachment kit. The total was released to a reasonable $31,396, some $6,000 a lot less than the better-equipped SL. Manuals FTW. This was initially we've strapped our test equipment with a stick-shift Alltrack, and that we were surprised to seek out that it's significantly quicker compared to automatic version. 0 to 60 miles per hour happened in only 6.7 seconds, that is 0.8 seconds ahead of your 2017 Alltrack SL automatic we tested. After a quarter mile, the manual features a 0.6 second lead. This rapidly 15 lb-ft of more torque within the automatic cars. Our Alltrack says different wheel and tire package also completed better results compared to SL, while using 20555 R17 Falcon Sinstra SN 250 all-season tires pulling 0.86 grams about the skid pad and improving the car stop from 70 miles per hour in a mere 162 feet. That's compared to 0.84 grams and 172 feet to the wider, lower-profile 22545 R18 Continental Pro Contact TX rubber installed about the SL. That tire dimensions are a little odd, or at best not very popular, as the only winter tire option offered at our usual source, Tire Rack, became a piley run flat. Instead, we viewed Nokian's distinctive line of Hakaplet to winter rubber, determined that the R2, a tire that won our last winter tire test, was accessible in that size. Nokian sent us a group, but internet retailers sell them approximately $200 a piece. What we think so far, spoiler alert, we're loving the Alltrack already. It's a manual transmission station wagon, but beyond that novelty, and also the aesthetic appeal on the green-brown color combo, there's also a good amount of substance. The generous 30 cubic feet of cargo space behind the trunk seats, as an illustration, and also the plush ride quality, the strong and refined engine, plus the smooth shifting manual. As with any long-term test, the main topic's reliability will likely be on our minds throughout our time together with the Alltrack, although neither in the most recent Golfs presented any major mechanical issues throughout their long-term tests. But notably, our car, along with most other 2018 model year VWs, now incorporates vastly superior warranty coverage as part with the company's new People First warranty, which increases both bumper-to-bumper and powertrain coverage to 6 years or 72,000 miles. We won't be keeping our VW with along, but we're also looking forward to spending 40,000 miles when driving of this attractive and well-rounded wagon, the initial long roof inside our long-term fleet since our 2014 BMW 328d finished its tenure. Months in fleet, 30 days current mileage, 1851 miles average fuel economy, 25 miles per gallon fuel tank size, 14.5 gallons fuel range, 360 miles service, $0 normal wear, $0 repair, $0.